and he's wearing pajamas because it's dark out. It's like 8 o'clock. And yesterday we went to Bell Buckle, Tennessee, and first we ate lunch at the Bell Buckle Cafe, and the food was really good. Then we went to a little shop, and it had a bunch of Hot Wheel cars. And my little brother, he got this black, really cool army car. And I got this car. It has rubber tires, and it might not look like it has tires in the back, but it does. Then we went to Bluebird Ice Cream, and there was ice, and our whole family went. And when we got home, I had ice cream all over my face, but I wiped it off. And that's what we did in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. And you want to say bye?
Bye.